In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wash your face properly. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a skincare video again. I did one already on these 3 skincare myths, I believe it was called. But today I'm going to show you kind of how to wash your face and what products you should be looking for. And then after this, I'll kind of go into the skincare categories like oily skin, dry skin, acneic skin, things like that. So today is just going to be a proper how to wash your face. So my recommendations, I do use Dermalogica. It is a brand I recommend. It is a brand I have been trained on and things like that. So I love Dermalogica. I think it is completely changed the game in skincare. It changed my skin. I used to think I had oily skin. And I realized after getting my skin balanced that it was dry. So I really like it. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. But before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment letting me know what you do to wash your face or any other skincare questions you may have. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. The very first thing that I do is wash my face with something called pre-cleanse. This is a professional size, so it won't look like this. But what pre-cleanse is just an oil-based cleanser. Again, I mentioned it in that other video. And you just use it on dry skin. You rub it all over your face. It can get off makeup, oil, dirt, all that stuff. I actually use it as a makeup remover. And then go ahead and add water and it's going to become a milky cleanser. After that, rinse it off and go in with your cleanser. Something I would recommend is Dermalogica's Special Cleansing Gel. I don't have it with me. I don't use that product as of now. I'm actually out of it. I use the Ultra Calming line, which is made for redness and all that stuff that I'll go into in a different video. But it's just a basic cleanser, works for any skin type. Again, I'm just going to say, when you're looking at cleansers, you want to look for good ingredients. You want to stay away from alcohol. You want to stay away from... There are good alcohols, which I'm going to do a video on. But mainly if you see just alcohol, you want to stay away from that. Other than that, you want to look for something that's going to be pH balanced. Because if you strip the pH, it's just going to cause more issues. So you want to look for something that's made for your skin. A lot of people like the Cetaphil one. I don't like it. The reason being is it doesn't have anything in it that's going to improve your skin. It's mainly waxes and parabens. What that's going to do is it's not going to irritate the skin. And so that's why a lot of people love it. But it's not going to solve anything. It's not going to help or treat the redness or the rosacea or anything that you're experiencing. So I don't recommend that brand, but I do recommend getting a cleanser in your price range that you do has good ingredients, because you can find them, but I wouldn't recommend Cetaphil and I would recommend Dermalogica over that. So that's just my 2 cents on that aspect. The next thing I'm going to recommend is exfoliation. Exfoliation I do about every 3 days, but again, I don't use the product I'm going to show you. With this product I'm going to show you, I would recommend using it every day or just seeing how your skin reacts to it, backing off of it if it causes too much issues. But the one I'm going to recommend is the Daily Microfoliant. I use the Daily Superfoliant. It's more intense, that's why I don't use it every day. But the Daily Microfoliant is insane. This thing will last you at least 1+ years. It's crazy. It's a rice-based powder that you go ahead and you pour out into your hand. I like to use it in the shower, and then you just add water to it, you foam it up. You want it as a foam. You don't want it as a paste. You don't want to feel that rice powder. So go ahead and foam it up in your hands, add that water. Go ahead and manipulate it on the face for about 1 to 2 minutes. Again, I like to use it in the shower because it's made to use with steam. So you're going to get the chemical exfoliants in the shower with the steam. If you just leave it on, you wash your body, shave your legs, do what you need to do. And at the end, I go ahead and rinse it off. It has salicylic acid in it, which is incredibly good for acne, blackheads, all that stuff. It goes into the pore and cleans it out, whereas other acids don't do that. It also is gentle enough to use it every day, and it's also not going to be something like the St. Ives scrub that's going to ruin and rip up your skin and create microscopic cuts in the skin. It's going to be gentle and much more effective. So that's what I would recommend, looking for something that has salicylic acid, that's not going to be a walnut scrub, that's not going to be too texturized, but it's still going to be getting that job done. After exfoliation, I recommend toning. What toning does, and there's a bunch of toners. I use this one from Dermalogica. Again, I get red, I flush, I have a lot of redness in my undertones, so I use the Ultra Calming Redness Relief Essence, and it's completely different than the other ones, but I recommend really looking at your toners. Toners often of the time say, oh yeah, we've all been to Clinique and have had those toners, you know, rubbed on your face and being like, look, that's all the dirt on your face that was left over if you don't do the double cleanse. Now, that's because it has alcohol in it, and the stuff that you're seeing is actually the skin that is being taken off. It's the lipid barrier that's being removed from your skin, and you need that. So I really don't recommend Clinique at all. I know it's dermatologist tested and all that stuff. I don't recommend it. But you want to be careful about the products you use as a toner. Ideally, a toner is supposed to treat, and it's also supposed to help product sink into that skin. So Dermalogica has been an amazing brand. It's a spray-on toner, so you don't like rub it all over your face, though you could. But this one, just it soothes. It has lavender and oatmeal and aloe and licorice root and things like that to calm that skin and to make sure that we are hydrating the skin, putting only good ingredients on that skin to treat it. If you do the double cleanse, you won't need to do a toner to remove, like after you do a double cleanse, you should have nothing on your face. You should have no dirt and no makeup on your face. So when you if you do the toner that you wipe on, you shouldn't have anything come off. All you need to do is just do a pre-cleanse like I recommended and then a cleanser. After that, you should be good to go. After the toner, what I'm going to recommend is a moisturizer. There's a lot of different types. If you are oily, I'm going to recommend a water-based. What water-based is it helps hydrate and not add oil, and it's not going to be heavy. If you're dry, I'm going to recommend those heavier oil-based moisturizers. A good water-based from Dermalogica is going to be Activemoist. And then something I would recommend from Dermalogica for dry skin would be the Skin Smoothing Cream. It's going to be heavier, it's going to be more oil-based. I honestly like to mix like an oil in with the moisturizer, even though it does have more oil in it than normal, just because I don't really have a lot of oil on the face and I'm extremely dry. I don't recommend that to everybody, but if you are dry, I do say try it out, see if you like it. But those are my tips with skincare. If you have any questions or want recommendations on products, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!